Hi everyone, welcome back to COC channel. Today we're going to recording a tutorial on how to make this bun pen topper. There are two color variations available. Let's start crocheting the bun part first. Take out the skin tone yarn. Begin with the magic ring. Chain 1 to start. Round 1. Make 6 single crochets. Now go back to the first stitch. Tighten the loop. Insert the hook into the first stitch. That's where our first single crochet was. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Round 2. Make 6 increases. Chain 1 to begin. An increase means you make 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Insert into the first stitch. Keep the yarn tail on top of the hook to hide it as you crochet. 1 single crochet, then into the same stitch. Make another 1. That's 1 increase. Repeat this 6 times for the round. Second increase. Third increase. Now you can let the yarn tail fall behind. Now locate the first stitch of this round. Insert the hook and slip stitch to join. Turn to the back and pull the yarn up. Cut the yarn. Round 3. Start with the chain, then single crochet into the first stitch. Second stitch, make an increase. Repeat this pattern, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, for 6 sets. Turn your hook. Slip stitch to the first stitch of the round. Round 4, start with the chain. First stitch, single crochet. Second stitch, increase. Third stitch, single crochet. That's 1 set. Round 5, start with the chain. First stitch, single crochet. Second stitch, single crochet. So it's 3 single crochets, 1 increase. Repeat this 6 times, pause here, and continue the next few rounds yourself. Round 6 to 10. That's 5 rounds in total. Follow the same method as before. Each round will have 30 single crochets. No increases needed from this point on, just 1 single crochet per stitch. After finishing round 10, it should look like this. Let's move on to round 11. Chain 1, 3 single crochets, and then a decrease. A decrease is combining 2 stitches into one. Insert the hook into the next stitch and pull the yarn through. Pull the yarn through again. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's how you make one decrease. Let me show you one more set. Then 3 single crochets and 1 decrease. Pause here and finish the remaining 4 sets. Round 12, chain to start. First stitch, single crochet, then a decrease, followed by another single crochet. Repeat this set 6 times. Round 13, start with the chain. First stitch, single crochet, then a decrease. Repeat for 6 sets. Finish with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Leave a long yarn tail. Cut the yarn. Take out the yarn needle. Use it to close the opening through the inner loops. The inner loop is the half that's closer to the inside. Only pick up that half of each stitch. Now we'll crochet the hair cap. Rounds 1 to 10 are the same as the first 10 rounds of the main body. You can rewind to the beginning and follow along until round 10. After round 10, it should look like this. Now we'll move on to round 11. Still 30 single crochets. After round 12, place the bun into the main body. After finishing round 11, place the bun into the hair cap. Continue to crochet round 12. Final round, chain to start, 3 single crochets, 1 decrease. Repeat this 6 times. Slip stitch to the first stitch, cut the yarn. Weave in the end. Then make a magic ring, 6 single crochets. We'll crochet 3 bangs. Now let's make the flower on top of the head. Start with a magic ring. Crochet 10 single crochets. Tighten the ring. Find the first stitch and insert the hook. Slip stitch, chain 2, into the first stitch, 2 double crochets, yarn over and insert into the first stitch. Pull yarn through from the back. There are 3 loops on the hook. yarn over and pull through 2 loops twice. That's 1 double crochet. In the same stitch, make another double crochet. So it's 2 chains and 2 double crochets in the first stitch. Then into the next stitch, 2 more double crochets. Chain 2, slip stitch into the same stitch as before. Each petal takes up 2 stitches. Since we made 10 stitches in the round, we'll end up with exactly 5 petals. Second petal, chain 2. Into the stitch after next, make 2 double crochets. Next stitch, 2 double crochets. Then chain 2 and insert to complete the petal. Slip stitch. Next, follow the same steps to complete the remaining 3 petals. After finishing, pull the yarn long. Now let's crochet the flower center. Start with the magic ring. Chain 4. Then make 5 unfinished double crochets into the ring, yarn over, and insert the hook. Pull the yarn through. Only pull through the first 2 loops. That's 1 unfinished double crochet. We need 4 more like that. Still only pulling through the first 2 loops. That's the second. Now there are 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all of them, then chain 4. Into the ring, slip stitch. Leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Tighten the ring. Then tie 2 knots at the back. Take a piece of floral wire, apply a bit of glue to the top. Stick it into the flower, and then start. Finally, let's crochet the pen sleeve part. Begin with a magic ring. Chain to start, 1 stitch. Crochet 8 single crochets. Tighten the ring. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain to begin round 2. 8 single crochets. Each round has 8 single crochets. Place the tail over the hook to hide it as you go. Tighten the tail and move it to the back. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Tighten the working yarn. Cut it. Round 3, chain 1. Continue with 8 single crochets. Then into the first stitch, slip stitch and continue until it reaches a suitable length. Mine turned out about this long. Once done, slip stitch into the first stitch, then pull the yarn long. Cut it. Weave in the yarn tail. Final step, secure the band onto the pen. Once everything is assembled, it will look like this.